On this video, I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram mention to story problem in less than 50 seconds. So all what you have to do guys is open the settings on your phone and then go to the wireless and networks and then enable the airplane mode like this. And then go back, click on the apps manager. After you click on the apps, you need to wait a few seconds. It will get you into this page. So scroll until you find Instagram and click on it. Now after you click it on Instagram, all what you have to do here is click on this option for stop and then go down to the storage. Click on this clear cache, go back, click on the data usage and then scroll, disable the roaming data and the background data. Now all what you have to do is remove the airplane mode and that's it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you very much for watching this tutorial.